Top down and bottom up approach. The purpose of top down and bottom up management style. Both the top down and bottom up style of management offer significant advantages for the companies that leverage each approach. Both styles distinguish between high level and low level work. But how each management style achieve his process varies widely. As with any business, the goal of each are to appropriately and efficiently think, teach, gain insight, and develop an overall leadership system that works well for the company and generates revenue. The top down approach can swam many positive business impacts through unique aspects of a management include the following: creating clear line of authority, standardizing product and services, facilitating quality control, streamlining tasks and achieving goals quickly. By comparison, the top-bottom approach utilities alternative way of a management to achieve success. This can be includes the following: forming a unique perceptions of the company, its goal, and its employees, measuring operational risk in terms of a fraud, model, and employee risk, reallocating assets and decision making power, giving voice to all employees. What is the top down policy? The top down policy, also refers to as a autocratic leadership, is a management process driven by the business upper level of executives. Senior project managers create company wide decisions that trickle down to lower departments. The decisions are first weighted on variables like frequency and severity, and then made based on their on the higher or lower lower levels of such variables. Upper management gathers and act upon the knowledge which employees carried out. These benefits include the following: decreased risk, strong management, good organization, minimize cost. And downfalls to the top-down approaches is a dictatorial, limited creativity, slow response to challenges. What is bottom up communication? Bottom up communication revolves around the inclusion of the employees, their ideas, their perceptions of the business in order to make the most informed decisions. In this case, a business initiative the entire team to participate in the company's management and decision making process. Communication and an all encompassing approach is a vital aspect of this style of management, lending itself to the appropriate name of bottom up communication. Bottom up communication includes the following: increase companies wide communication, build morals, share solutions, increase collaborations. Some potential pitfalls are bogging down of employees, slow time creating plans and reaching goals, inaccurate reflections of data. Industrial that use top down and bottom up approach. The top down and bottom up approaches have gained traction in certain sectors of the workforce. Sometimes a highly authoritative upper management and a delegation of a task is better than employees with fluid roles and a large say in the decisions of the company, and vice versa. Thank you so much for watching my video.